In a dense jungle lived a sloth named Sloopy. Sloopy was very calm and slow-moving. His days were spent lying on branches, slowly moving from one tree to another and dreaming sweet dreams. He didn't like rushing. Let everything move slowly and peacefully was his motto. However, Sloopy noticed that other creatures in the jungle were very fast. When he saw his friends, like the gecko running swiftly, the deer racing through the forest, or the eagle flying high in the sky, he would wonder, why am I so slow? Why can't I do those things? One day, his jungle friend, a cheetah, the fastest animal on earth, looked at him and said, "Sloopy, if you could move as fast as me, you could do so much more." Sloopy replied, a bit frustrated, "I know, but I'm just so slow. I'll never be able to run like you." The cheetah, chuckling, said, "You may be slow, but your own pace and power are unique to you. If you understand and embrace your own speed, you'll find joy in it." After hearing that, Sloopy thought, maybe I should give it a try. He decided to practice every day, trying to increase his speed bit by bit. At first, he couldn't make it from one branch to another without stopping, but he kept trying. Over time, he started moving a little faster, but he never tried to change his natural slow pace. Instead, he found a kind of peace in his own speed. One day, when all his jungle friends were running or flying around, Sloopy was moving slowly on his path, when suddenly a large river appeared in front of him. Everyone tried to rush across, but none of them could get through the strong current. Then, Sloopy, moving at his slow and steady pace, carefully grabbed a strong tree branch and started crossing the river. Because of his steady and careful pace, he was able to cross the river safely. Afterward, he helped all his friends who were struggling to cross in a hurry. In the end, Sloopy was the first to cross the river, and everyone was amazed at how he did it. His slow pace turned out to have a special kind of skill that no one else had. Moral of the story, sometimes there's strength in moving at your own pace. It's not always about rushing. It's about knowing your abilities and going at your own speed.